Cella Ford, creating customers for life.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 C-Max Energi. The C-Max Energi is a hatchback with seating capacity of 5. Its powerful engine and stylish interior make it a great option for those looking for a functional and efficient vehicle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, fog lights, compass, power windows, power brakes, trip odometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Cella Ford, creating customers for life.